In this video, we will study about the first module, Introduction to Groovy. We will discuss overview of Groovy, history and background, installation and setup, Groovy development tools. Overview of Groovy. What is the Groovy and why we will use Groovy? Groovy is a dynamic object-oriented programming language for Java Virtual Machine. There are many features of Groovy, but I will list most important feature of Groovy. Dynamic typing. What is dynamic typing? Dynamic typing means in Groovy we don't declare types explicit. This way we can speed development and write more expressive. Java compatibility. What is Java compatibility? Java compatibility means we can integrate Java code with Groovy. We can use the existing libraries and frameworks of Java in Groovy codes and vice versa. Next is domain specific language DSL. With the support of DSL, domain specific language makes complex tasks easier to express and understand. Scripting. What is scripting? With the help of Groovy scripting, you can write the scripts quickly and easily. Next is metaprogramming. Groovy metaprogramming capabilities are one of its most powerful feature. Next is Grail framework. Framework is most important framework for development. With the help of Grail framework, we can develop the complex web application quickly in less time. History and background. In history, we will discuss when Groovy was invented. Groovy programming language was created by James Sturgill in 2003. What was the need of Groovy when there was Java? We will discuss. If there was Java, then what was the need of Groovy? Actually, Groovy emerged as a response to some of limitation of Java. One of the most important limitation of Java is dynamic nature. In Groovy feature of dynamic nature, we don't require to explicit type declaration. Next, we will discuss installation and setup. Before installing Groovy, we will install Java Development Kit because Groovy runs on Java platform. So we need first Java Kit to install and then Groovy. We can download Groovy from official website of Groovy, http Groovies download. Next we will discuss installation steps. First download the Groovy, then extract and set up the environment variable on Windows. Right click on this PC or my computer and select properties. Click on advanced system setting. Then click on properties windows. Click environment variable button. Under the system variable, click new and add a new variable name as Groovy home with the path of your Groovy installation directory. Find the path variable in system variables section. and select and click on edit. Add Groovy underscore homes bin path to list of path. Next we will discuss Groovy development tools. There are several development tools and IDs available for Groovy development, but I will list a few of them. One of them is IntelliJ IDEA, second is Eclipse, third is NetBeans, fourth is Visual Studio Code, and fifth is Gradle. Next we will discuss program structure. Here is the Hello World program. In this program, Hello World defines the name of class, static void main is the method name, and println Hello World is the syntax for output of the program. Thanks.